Alright, so we got the other window in. It took like 2 days for it to come through, so we're gonna get it in now. So here's the old one, which I'm gonna use to, I wanna try and put that black seam on it. There's a broken piece. Here's a new one. You can see it's totally packaged completely different. So I don't know if someone tried to switch out the other one. The box came open and stuff, so I don't know, but we'll get back to it. And I got all that stuff to still put in. So yeah, back to it, man. All right, appreciate watching. Let's get to work. Stop talking. I'm trying to convince myself to actually work right now, if you can't tell. So. Okay, so I wanted to try this. It dripped. I've never put this the primer on an old school window. They didn't come like that, so I wanted to try it, see how it works out. It's just a urethane primer, so I kind of wanted to, I want to just block off the bottom portion of the dash. So I just wanted to see how it would look. So I just left that little cutout because it's for the VIN, because this one's the broken one. So we'll just test it out on this shit, and then that way I don't mess up my real one. So it came out, I like it. I like the black strip. It looks good. Can't really even tell that it's there. It looks like it's supposed to be there. So I'm gonna make it a little higher. So you see these other marks up here. I'm gonna make that strip go bigger. And let me show you the other side. So I'm gonna have it go up a little bit more, which just means I got a little more to do for the VIN, but you could kind of see where you can see through it. So I'm gonna have to do 2 coats. I did 2, but I didn't wait for the first one to dry, so I think that caused some problems. And I'm not gonna be able to put this up by myself, so I gotta wait so I get some help. Because I mean, I can get it up there and off, and right, but not with the sealant on there. When there's sealant on there, trying to put that on there by myself, it's not gonna happen. So I'll smear sealant all over the place. So, but it looks good. I didn't think that was gonna work, so looks like it'll work. Back to it. So just put the dash in to see if I can mark this measurement. You can't really see, but trying to figure out which one I want to do. I want to do the line right at the edge of the dash or up above it. I think I'm going to do right on the edge, because up above it doesn't look right to me. It's not bolted in, so it goes back way farther, but yeah, you can't see because the glare is trying to focus on too much stuff. So, but yeah, that's it. Just mark the edges when I put the caulking on. So back to it. Okay, so I'm just taping off these edges, because the other one, I mean, it works on the side, but it wasn't as clean as if it was a taped edge. So I just taped it off. I gotta cut these with the razor, and then I'm gonna lay that sealant down. So back to it. Okay, it is in. Guess the train wanted to be acknowledged, so. But it's in. Came out really good. I still need to wipe the marker off the top, but it's good. Had to get some help from my mestiza. My Maganda mestiza. So it was good, man. It's the first time I used the black strip thing, the primer. I think it just puts another little level to it. I like it. So yeah, man. You could pay someone to do it or do it on your own. This is like the third window I've done, fourth window I've done. I've never done any of this on it. I've always done it hella half-assed when I was younger. But do it, you know. If you don't feel confident enough, then pay. So, but what's the harm? Like I said, the windows are coming out, roof's coming off, quarter panels coming off. It's either going to be blasted or acid dipped, but that's a long ways down the line. I just want to get it driving, put some sealer on it so it can not get rust to nowhere land. So did that corner. I've never done any metal fab work, so I just wanted to try it out. So, hella work, hella more work when you're making the pieces on your own. You can buy this piece, you can buy a roof, spend $300 to cut up pieces you need, but why? It's metal. You have a welder, you have a cutting anything, cut it, try it, do it, shit. Yeah, that's it. That's all she wrote. Thanks for the support. Sorry it took forever. You know, out here, one-man army, life stuff, you know, family member, really sick, and my job has been jerking me off, so. But that's work, they pay me, they pay the bill, so there's the train, that's the queue. Holla, like, comment, subscribe, shout out to the people that are doing their own thing. Yeah, back to it. See you later.